The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra represents a moderate upgrade over its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, which itself wasn't a significant improvement over the S22 Ultra. Around 15% of users are choosing to stick with their current Galaxy S phones, while a similar percentage is considering alternative flagship options. One major deterrent for potential buyers is the high cost of the S24 Ultra, surpassing the already expensive 2023 version in most markets. Despite the hefty price tag, some positive aspects of the S24 Ultra include the flat display and the well-received Gorilla Glass armor. Samsung's decision to stick with Snapdragon processors is noted as a positive move, although there is anticipation around the performance of the Exynos variant. The S24 Plus has also seen a price increase in some regions, but the savings compared to the Ultra make it a more attractive option for some users, especially considering its similarity in features. The Samsung Galaxy S24, on the other hand, is not viewed as a compelling upgrade for users with older vanilla phones. While the device has the benefits of 7 years of support and an LTPO display, the 8/128GB space configuration is criticized for feeling limiting, especially in terms of accommodating 7 years' worth of updates, apps, and files. Additionally, the absence of a RAM upgrade, unlike the S24 Plus, is seen as a drawback for its long-term usability. Despite these concerns, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is gaining popularity in South Korea and India, with one Korean carrier reporting that a significant 60% of pre-orders are for the S24 Ultra. It remains to be seen how the series performs in other markets, but early indications suggest a strong demand for the Ultra model. And what device you have bought, let me know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next update. Peace out.